It had been a particularly rewarding day at the going out of business store.
I have no idea what he's clicking on Facebook, but he's scrolling through something. It's a miserable Saturday. We were going to go dragon hunting this morning, but it's a bit wet. So instead, we're chilling out for now. Somebody is scrolling through Facebook, even though he's no idea what he's doing, and we're watching a bit of Curious George.
George didn't think it was fair for anyone to sacrifice. There was only one right.
Now, Alex, would you like to do some baking today?
No.
Would you like to make some cakes?
No, do that one first.
Oh, we're going to do that one first, but after this, George, would you like to make some cakes?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we'll make some cakes, but first we'll watch George. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
We're going to make cakes.
To make cake.
Now, you ready?
Yeah.
Now let's read what it says. Now you hold the bowl. Who's this? And who's that?
What's that? What's that?
Who's that?
What's that?
Arlo.
Hey.
And who's that? Are we going to make dinosaur cakes? Oh wow. Now we have a look and see what's in here. Will we open? Oh, let's have a look. And just because I know it's going to go everywhere if I leave him to it, I'm going to make the ice. Oh, wow. Now watch what we do. Watch what we do.
What's that?
This is icing.
Mine.
Do you want to do some? Wait, we have to make icing. Look, put the icing on the cake. Do you want to do some? Yeah, do that one.
No. A cake?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Yeah.
No more tricks.
Cheers! Yay! Cheers!